Hello, lovely viewers out there. Once again, my name is Ras and you're watching Ras TV. Today, I'm going to be hanging out with one of the exceptional vocalists we have here in Northern Ghana. Just forget the rumors you hear about him, but I told you that you're listening here. I'm going to command you. One announce on the bounce on to Konondo Kukwema Umbarisha. Tramula the Komugu, the all-time singer. Katapale Woro on a zone, Yella Hatkin, Katinya Hat fans, Katsuga, Nya Hat waist. The money as a pump on a punk canal because fly in a pump yamane, Mjerico canam, Jerico canal to our mammy. Dada Monatum da to Macasuni, Kashikazan Yelmazan Batoni. Bien champion, I get the benefits. Come on, Jerico canapon was one shama, so the no soup yellow pump. And you dig a shiny young man, nothing graphics, when you was on printed, or be to embroidery graphic design school under. So then they know carbon graphics, Kabong Babu, Yen was on to no letter. Mj graphic, I design man. Pavilion Studios, one design cover art now. So then they can hear about the tattoo be visual effects cover film for in time they contact on any who soon to announce on tap. Stay tuned and enjoy the interview.
Non pas ma kanyali, non pas ma kanyali. Tu mana una sura mi alargama, kalarga anfa.
Kano kuyala ma mjanya mbe juwani. Hatkin mbala akamuno find you because I've been a fan for so long and my yellows on Facebook commande. Yeah, let's just leave out individual interest. Ken Lane Kamazalon is a very good songwriter and Tiakatin Piggy. Coming with one person we are going to select because Obeyina man you can come the experience. But Sasha could drop a song, the yellow hate, you understand? Unless of course in your mama think on our own way to Mjele, I'm happy.
Yeah, Kulumana.
Now, mama,
no problem. Mommy fans mazo got to that.
Okay. Just one, the more long man we can.
Man, kunye long man. Anya long ko banya long man could be yourself.
Okay. But Mjele, I been alone to be the Bakopala brand mazo.
Long yama. The pala brand mazo. Long kunyama. DL Sampana Blai. Ndwama ko drama. So long pa binya.
Wow. Mjele yara kabonsa yerna nang malaji sepam. Because don't you listen na biete no lunsung ana na on ko tabala bansum pa.
Amina buhandongo. Ay no mal bansum ka buhamta. Be yam kamal yam ti ya.
Okay.
So biya gam tana ku buhandongo para. Buhambo man che ka tumal na to pa jumo kana ku biya ma.
Wow.
Ereche buhambo ngo inda sirmar mai to bale.
Lanyere. Okay. Mjela mi anto yete kama anchi gilani sa shelve.
Okay. Danyala bui nsuni ke yilana kambang na yila 98.
Okay.
Kampili yila sabobat mpela studio 2002 to recording first demo.
Okay.
Kumasi hit digital studio Asukwa. So from there can the kalam be active music up till now. So you can do the mass yourself agent to 2002 and 2020. I've been in active music.
Wow, I'm just game man for long, very long time. Mjali, have you now Komimugu the all-time singer?
Okay.
Are you in any way related to Komidada? Komimugu Komidada?
Okay.
You relate to be Amuno Namintum.
Okay. It's a very brilliant question. Komidada Nyalam brother. Mino Ranyala group.
Okay.
Can you call me Mugu? Can you call me Dada?
Wow.
Then there was another part in Komi Panta. So 3 of us were all brothers, and then we formed a group Comrace.
Okay.
And then in that check out Komi Mata so come
wow.
Komi Dada, Komi Mugu, Komi Panta.
Okay.
And then Komi Dada like Anyelene through late Madam Pam fathers.
Wow.
One father, one mother.
Okay.
Oman Kupam probably Mbala.
Wow.
And then late father Gbandapa, the late Ahmed Adam Madagbazo. So family and kunyeti Mr. Razak, Madam and Dani Chamanzang, father Panzang, comedy Madapa. In that order. Nirmino to job.
Wow, the non yasums auntie has one of some one dear fan of pump. Mjere, I thought you pump because all time singer. Wololana.
Komimugu.
The Komi.
Bizum younger.
So Mjere, the affected brand ma, be that it does okay, be ma tarma.
daba affecter brand ma zobo zo kaman le pahare wiyama.
Okay.
Because I ni ayulimbo no komi mugu.
Okay.
And then kaku gbubu kom mugu ma konko chana katinye kama de wilma borni wishel support le.
Okay.
Kazang pahana kara shir support le kara zugi. Then the ramen brand ma bore polish up.
Okay.
Yila meeting yi ne lama ben yara pamanche ka nere mali wile ka pahare wiyama bi ka ku gbubu yu ganga. Nyala tubu pam industry ne.
Wow.
So nye tubu pam industry ne ma nara kana wait komi muguma. The next name shall no kuzang padan yala all time singer.
Yes.
The mirage lima nara nyama ne nere featuring nam kam ne jim mamang yila. Ami man ku nang da ben sha de nye na bazan she be criticize.
Critics.
So critics man ku yina yara ne na ne jila ne nere featuring nam kam ne mamang yila nye dene. Then I said, no, me I'm the all-time singer.
Yes.
Because at that material moment, Shawrazam Bana Ahene Vilchumen. Kayano, Yanijama, Sahakam Bang and Yama. So all-time singer Magbanambala, Sahakam Banga. Unquem Biela Ilane, time come. Halna Kurgum Malza Piala and Yin Laila, because my young Dundong and Yeleme.
Wow.
Matizo Dabama Zaban Yarlunsma, Anna Kuchang Ziele. Kuli biana banin yina banin yara dadal banin yara musicians mbala.
Wow.
Despite the fact that babazang bedin ma yina mtenang le modern way karna come local ma. Exactly. But I cannot yila kabna ku yina ma.
It's true.
I understand it. So yila ne age kane.
Okay.
And then still we ama pa ma bi shale. De zahanyala selman balama and selen lamma nku paharla yama. For fans man no bang kama de energy na biane. Because the lanyala ben shauras I really besane azang yu pal pahade zo.
Okay.
Azang yu pal ma pahade yang pula yu kurlama.
Yes.
Katom bezane. I understand ya. But man kana halne zungo ka kumal wiyama mbara. Fans ma ku saara matere.
Response man ko kan man.
Na kana wid komi mugo be saamatele kan zang all time singer na ka saatele. Kan zang bizang yanga na ka saatele kan zang da komi na ka saatele kan yini manin kana ya wolo lana ka saatele. You get what I mean? Yeah. The nyala ula time man tai.
Okay.
Ka generational listeners back pay.
Okay.
Because bampa wumde yila zungu last 15 years bravo wumde yila.
Okay.
Young generation banku mal smartphones ma.
Yes.
15 years ago be pam da wumde yila. Ba 15 years ago man da pam bela active music ne.
Exactly.
So nkam na tu yula kamade be pam be mima.
Okay.
Zungo yili yina wumde ma be pam be mima.
Yes.
Ka shab mi gba biane ka mima. Ba mimi ma be pam gbalan ka za ane yila. So can decide kama no. Komi mugma anzang le ne nyaben shaka ta'al yupal kanas wala lan ma nyame no. Kom mugma de me ambale with yila. Nirba perception nyam kama yili yina kurle. So ben zang da attention shelter yila ma ba da ba yala even though ben pala yil pala nyale karla hanya style pala mbe yina le kama niranya komi muka yini shamma. Nlab buham yila different types of yila ma dancehall afro pop nku buham la widely.
Yes.
Kalabna ma with wolulan ma. So kam 2018 ma mba yilanam kaman 17 18 kana boy response ma kam banyale. Then I said no. Okay. Will taba bag you purlungo ma ba.
Wow.
So kazan wolulan na and mano lor numbongo.
Yes.
So last 2 years no lor lana kanzan wolulan mana.
Wow.
2 years nkubongo ne labna as wolulana.
Yes.
And it has been successful because man you ya pam kanye sunu bol ma komi mugu abnya post mani yara ya wula kina bol komi ma especially when you are posting.
Yeah.
Because wol olana kunya le kwana kam wol always everywhere.
Wow. The no nya asum pam na jimu nya asum interview na kama zo ya ha mbia you didn't ku yi the name komi mugu na
then you yulwana nyala featuring that in a big timba my way.
Okay.
Pasar belmo zan manya peto yurina antezo bagao zan mumal nango.
Yeah.
Pasar belmo zan manya peto yurina ama way. I'm aware.
Kai.
And so then I'm in Wilna. And that was recorded in 2004 at Fredima Studio in Accra, Circle, and released in 2005. So it's been 16 years. I'm aware in
Wow. Dia ka sadan ka Facebook girl me go drop.
Come on, Facebook girl won't drop 10 years ago. Just 9 to 10. Yeah.
Wow. Niro pambiani biyani mjel zugi gila ma puni but baba mi ansan gila in shower. Mja, I want you to share with me come on and gila puni achievement bukana anya.
I always don't want to answer that question because it doesn't mean that as a musician I have to share my high and low with everybody. No.
Okay.
I mean, understand. Yeah. The one come out the ne yila. Anto Buhama be presenter, be interviewer. Anto Buhama kama buanye yila ne kan yala ne yeshele. No.
Okay.
Unku yala. Understand. Yeah. Then yala ne bora kan yala ne nyaben shao ne je kan be yala because I know why they are asking that question all the time. Or never cook buanye yila ne buanye yila ne. I will not tell anybody what I have gotten from music.
Okay.
Because I think it's my personal life. What I have and don't have is my personal life. And it doesn't mean that I have to tell people I have 1 CD, I have 2 CD. No.
Okay.
Much as I could be in industry, man, can I move?
Yeah.
And so no Melbourne Shan and Cabin Shan to could be an Titinya.
Exactly. Yeah.
So good be an it so come to near
so continuing mission. Ale mostly mjeno to posti bensha karangela kamo addressera industry ma jikupa presenters na la DJs. It's like there's something that is not going on well in industry ma phone.
They are the reason for us being backward. Northern DJs. And presenters, they are the reason for us being backward. Banchekat could be young kagbana. Bumala Zamba. Kaba Zamba man yala ula. When Jilan yare to were against northern musicians. Kashi am praise southern artists. Meanwhile I'm praise Shabma, you can't even go near them. Benjila ni man bintaba time shall never me northern music ma. The Basarate 2 hours ma, it's not enough for them to cover everybody. And yet they will use part of our time and be playing different people's music, which is not even supposed to be so. Because as on to 2 hours married, Diamond Platinums yila. Tamalizam binye ban songumpa Diamond. I mean understand ya. Hala ankana to Ghana ba. Bang pago be umin ban be level baba ya ala. Ka kana ndiji en merkona kabata yila na ka banyara. Be kanya yila na be social media ka gba be social media ma ka ba download it me. Ka jia pertama ne nyala DJ ni mi kun me yila na ala banta yili shele. Kartom nyala ka mangla ka yarma banta yili shanga ka ba merla mun ya because baba ta payula. Anto kato payola we nyama payola ma odile na ko obla nyari la ma ka gulna ala lamna tiru ni afi. You get what I mean?
Yes.
And so one problem with DJs muna it's not going to end anytime soon. Problems with DJ nam tamal ngo de benche zungo de me benche biane. They are serious critic. Nko yimana nante galam de kafiri DJ nama mbantalene especially tamalmu. Manko yimana nante ku galanda kafiri DJ nama. I'm not afraid of any musician. Mbanye tamal musician so nukuto nyar battle be nukuto criticize ra kama criticizer DJ nam shamma. Ba tamal musician mule nyenta kahe. Mambanye tamal musician so ko nyenta kahe because mun kayentu.
Yes.
You get what I mean? Munkayentu karanang mabu. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
But DJs ma banguna, I will continue to insult them and I will continue to insult them till they change for the betterment of the whole industry. Because be taiti and zoomi. But no baby artist so unkunyara. Nti anyemo kuwa wile cannot the music floppy. No pil artist na attack tamalmu now so kan yarama de be empa 2 months em bela top ma because near come near attack de malaya I reply, can reply. Can reply. But excuse me to say, when there is an ongoing beef, industrial players, are the DJs fair? The two sides. The two sides. Tamalongo ka kwenya ka DJ Malombe artist sopolo. Ka yirlen yara. Hello mbe yele yelonji anyar yilana mambombe sopolo. And so me, I don't just like DJs in Tamale at all. Not DJs out elsewhere. Tamale DJs in particular. I have no problem with you if you are a DJ and you are in Accra. If you are a DJ and you are in Bolga or Wa, I'm having a problem with my own home-based DJs because I think they must do better. They must learn. They must sit up. They must stop killing talents all in the name of Payola and saying that if you don't give me money, I won't play your music. You never employed me. The people who employed you, for all you may know, they employed you and gave you a job description. And that is to play Northern music. And you want us to pay you. We are not your employers. We are not your employers. All we will do is to play good music. And all you can also do is to promote good music for the good listeners out there. But if you think someone must rub your palms before you do that, then you don't know why you are even a DJ in the first place. So Ras, DJ no mabanguna man na pilba tumo kan na pilba hal to the end drop la DJ so battle was actually hot one Saturday baga biga tampir ga the title mbara
a title no mazamalaya
ma artist nun brand nun konge muna di tuna I am babin shakam kara nun konge will always
Mjela, have you worked with DJ Carlos before?
Yeah. I was his secretary when he established Northern Events Organization, and I decided to tear myself away because I realized that we're not sharing the same visions and dreams. We've worked before.
Wow.
But it wasn't for a long period.
Mjela Kaula ka Yokurle Nyama was directed to him. But DJ Carlos Migbarana ka odi song, you know.
Oh. Carlos, you know him, or you want me to talk? You guys always want me to talk, then you say I said it. No, I don't know. Listen, he's an industrial player. He's a DJ, and he's not doing his job well. And I rightly said, or I earlier on said that if you are a DJ, I'll come for you, especially if you are not acting right in this industry. And so he wasn't acting right. I even left the job as a secretary because I knew the company was going to collapse. Even though he established it and he never foresaw it coming. Mandami manere and collapsing because you can't establish a company and what you are supposed to be doing, you are not doing it. That is management of artists and promotion of artists. And then you sign artists, you don't promote them, and you don't manage them well. You get what I mean? But me, to be honest with you, my main Carlos problem, it starts way back from Lil K Don Sole beef time. And then Bauli featuring me in his song called Nchao. Nimana kam mini Carlos problems kupilegi. Because Nchao ma it was directed towards him. You get what I mean? And Lil K also directed Dulum Dulum to us. After Sangara, you know I was featured in Sangara. So after Sangara, Lil K directed Dulum Dulum. And that was when my problem with Carlos started because he took Lil K to manage him. And before he took Lil K to manage him, the Bandanye Sangara first man, he never played it. And that is why I'm saying Tamale DJs are not fair. And when there is beef, the beef is not interesting because they pick sides. You get what I mean? And when you pick sides, it makes the beef not last, or even if it will last, there is no fair competition in it. Because if we talk about competition, there should be a playing level field.
Yes.
For all
of them.
Participants.
Yeah.
But there's nothing like that. So Ndanya Makakalos, that time only the number one DJ, the whole North.
Yeah.
And he was throwing his weight behind Liliki and promoting Liliki's Dulum Dulum, which was dissing us and not playing Sangara. So I felt,
no, he was not.
Yeah, I felt pain, and I realized that no, this guy was being mischievous. He was deliberately doing what he was doing. Because you can't be working with your secretary and someone diss your secretary and you go on air and that is what you will be playing. Meanwhile, your secretary started it.
Exactly.
So then you can diss Oma.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then I want you to give me your submission on this. Ngole Maker Banga, is it the street or industry players?
It's God. It's not even the street, and it's not even the industry players. If God doesn't make me a star, can you make me a star? If God doesn't make me a street, can any DJ make me a star? If God doesn't make me a star, nobody on the street can make me a star. That one is a fact.
Okay.
I know why you are asking that question, and this is how I will break it down. The DJ doesn't make a star because in my 19 years in music, the experience I have is that I have seen DJs trying to make people stars because they took money from their management, but to no avail. They took money from artist management and told the management that he told me, "Tenam supu hamma kanang nangje karlan behiti." Bankun me yilan naman ku kalet radios o kabaniya kunyama babwarma na dalan hiti ka take over kar nyele hale ka nerba nyi tunwana yilama karlan babadu bagba de yaya. Yeah, DJ nam try pam na promote artist unku me ko star kadin nago manager lor ko min batom zo ka chu ka tom belab stars. So DJ ko to leg so star.
Wow.
No DJ can make someone a star. No. If a DJ succeeds in making you a star, then there is already a star element in you. That is what yes. There's a star element in you that he will only shine for people to see you look brighter. But it doesn't mean that. What if the DJ makes you a star?
Yes.
And then things don't go on well between you and the DJ, and the DJ decides to pull out away from you.
Yes.
Will you still flop and not be a star? Let me put one example just here to land on a DJ cannot make a star a star. Fancy Gadam was working with DJ Telenko. They had a beef along the way and they separated.
Yes.
He never fell. If it was Tel who made him, Tel Nrablam Bio Kampma, Dratu no flop. He broke away from Parare and Co. He's still going ahead. So why Kobe flop it?
Yes.
If someone makes you, he can unmake you. You get what I mean?
Yes, I get it.
If the media make you, they can break you.
They can break you as well.
So I don't think a DJ can make someone a star. Unless, of course, when the DJ makes that person a star and that person becomes a star in the eyes of people, the DJ says, I will make you again and really unmake you. That one, if there is evidence of that,
okay,
I will go by that.
Okay.
But to be honest with you, stardom, let's limit that one alone to God. If God doesn't make you a star, you will do whatever you will do and you will never become one. You will never become one.
Wow, then on awesome pom. I think it's one of those songs where my mama but not the interviewer because I'm learning a lot from him as well. It's like this time there's this strong connection between you and then Sani, the Bonsani.
Okay.
I don't know. It's like you are working hand in hand this time round.
Is that how you see it?
And it's like Amuno Ipanon clues pom, and then he record the songs. Amuno.
Oh, you know, we are all rapping DC. Okay. I hope you know that. The Wonderful Fun channel.
Yeah.
And Sunny and Cool, they are all my boys. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
Mbembalama, long fucking time.
Okay.
Kaba Bazaha Dolema as a senior man.
Yeah.
And then now they have also grown. Bubapa Zome. So Benzoma, there's a need for us to collaborate because they have fan base and I also have fan base. Exactly. So our fans always want us to work together.
Yeah.
So I came out with a lot of collaborations with Sunny, and that doesn't mean it's because we are from DC.
Okay.
But it's because when a good rapper meets a good singer, the result is always superb.
Wow.
And I always like featuring rappers than singers.
Okay.
You get what I mean? Because of the different genre they are doing. Someone will like me because of my singing. Someone will like that fellow because of the rap. So that's one of the reasons why I featured Sunny. And it's not going to end there with him or other artists. This year I'm opening my door for collaborations with lots of upcoming acts and then mainstream acts. Yeah.
Wow. Mdia, you represent a mouthpiece of the people, and then just recently advert initially and he said this to Ghana police.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't know, what are you trying to convey? Message book upon it.
The message I'm trying to convey is that the police acted recklessly and we must let them know.
Okay.
Because they are not above the law. One man making a mistake doesn't guarantee the police to come and storm a whole area and beat up everybody.
Okay.
You get what I mean? Vandalizing property because they malhandled one police woman in my area.
Okay.
What they did was uncalled for. And so it was just a straight warning I'm giving to them. Straight from the hearts of people who came from my area. I mean the chiefs and elders of my area. What the police came and did was not right. What the youth in our area did that warranted the police to come and do the wrong thing was not also right.
Wow.
But I want to put it in this way, that two wrongs make a right.
Oh no, hell no.
So it was just a song directed to Ghana police to tell them that enough of the nonsense, enough of the brutalities. We've had enough of it. My area, we can no longer take it.
Okay.
And that one should be the last. That was just the message I wanted to convey. And I did exactly that in the song. Because you know how I write my lyrics.
Yes.
I just make it straight and devoid of ambiguity. I don't want you to look at my lyrics or listen to my lyrics and think it's this way or the other. Meanwhile, it's this. I just make it straight for everybody to understand.
Wow. Yeah, what should we expect? I'm a team. You are still alone, just working.
I'm a Bisham this time. The time.
Okay.
You can't work alone. No musician can work alone and succeed.
Okay.
No musician, I repeat.
Okay.
You need to have team. You can't do everything by yourself. So I'm having a team and a very strong one.
Okay.
Very, if I say a very strong one. It comprises of the manager, which is Hit Remedy, and assistant managers, Bako and then Smart.
Okay.
And then other subordinates like personal assistants, Brightex, and then other members. Yeah, we are working. We are working as a family.
Wow.
And it's yielding results.
Yeah, exactly. This start short videos and mostly Mbabami apamala studio ayombe. You have seen videos, more pictures. Karmala broko en record la du. Karmala ka studio ni kalanjiama.
Studio mbala ndunyen studio. I have my studio in my room, so I'm always in studio. Atukunya kambe yanga be kang ma short viral video. Ka jigorozo to studio mamba.
Wow.
Kosa ka studio man.
Studio man.
Goronye to kose. Well always.
Yeah, the long yasun pa. But I watched the video nta araku yim na chana and then ka baby shop could be palamazo.
Zonga netwa taya.
Ano ka garozo, ano ka mandito ila mabana.
Zonga netwa taya.
Bro, so then there come DJ Bat, he quit no. Because it's like all the time. I'm on DJ Bat.
No, he's a stupid boy. So I don't want to be free with stupid people like DJ Bat.
Bro.
He's a stupid boy. Also, Chiapam.
Bro, she's solo.
No. My means Let me tell you something.
Okay.
I will never, that guy, I will never grant him an interview in my life again.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
Oh.
Olak kunyala ne pen nong shanga ko nye yulema. Monda kan na kaka yule tanam chang nung grant to interviews hal ko ona wat zane.
Yes.
O radio station sholon tum de kata han so nyuma tanam chang te perform ka use radio.
Before come now employ.
Oh yes. And today, because the station is one of the best stations in Tamale or Northern Ghana, he thinks he's somebody or he's Oga. Forgetting that if you are Oga, you be Oga for where you are. I be Oga for my house. Yes. It be me be Oga for Onoma. So if you be Oga for your workplace and they need to control you, and you want to extend that to people who are also their own Ogas, I won't take it. People in you one. But Yili in Double Raz, do you know that?
Really?
He was an underground.
Oh.
He recorded a couple of songs.
Oh.
Got a new the nyomo DJ mbiale ni yini yila kanye DJ ma kalanye Sagane TV manager Kakawastone ba yini yila kalanye DJ ma Orna Antonang la mo bana Antonang. I'm a DJ since 2002 before even Carlos Kawastone and Co.
Yeah.
A professional DJ. I don't want to practice, not that I cannot, and they know it.
Yes.
If you want to know I can practice, that is why I did a song called Gulmasaha. Ndanyela Gulmasaha never bang to league presenter. Kazang Mangle presenter yilamane kanang the artist nam interview. That was the concept.
Wow.
And so therefore, bat kuto yila. Oborno beka man. So kuto beka man like Karzabro. It pains him.
Oh.
See my footwear.
Okay,
you get what I mean? Oh, drop. Oh, nema za. Oh, kuhalero to dama namda.
Oh, but DJ Bat my brown
Mpama.
No, lao.
Oh, bro. I say DJ Bat has brand. It's like an insult to my brand because me, I don't know him to have brand. I don't know him to have any brand. There's no brand that he can boast of. He's just a small boy in the industry, and monkeys play inside it. So, Obomo line. No. Come on, level Nekubio. Okumira. Kapalom Bamago Manga Bruyambu. Burunquambu, serious Bruyambu.
No. Branch on your industry place, Mazorami. Abantamago Zorama.
Bizomma is part of the game.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's but no done something of no show.
Oh yes.
Because people know them to come out. Jenny, you know so.
Mammy didn't you shamuras? Tanku yina netanangla yilama, Nimuhaka to Kuyina, by Shaptan, Tiargo Tiargunyele. Katargunyelo. Yeah. My guto buanku tua. So I am an Merisha battle in the Maza. Physically, I can beat them.
So
yes. And so I am an artist battle, me one level side.
No, I'm garang.
No, I'm bangna all along Mumbashira. Don't come here with beef, no man. I'm in Kunyaka, so Kunyama beef.
No.
Let it happen one time and you will see how the industry will turn up.
Jelly.
Industry man and Yasam Pam, that is being a Biaka battle.
Yeah.
Mpon now and then the young bands of reply, like I've been doing it. Managing both battle, ula can to my can to Jenny. I can't sit. Shame could reply, canon free. So, Raz, industry man, Binyara Pamnan 2020, Manda up in Yelly. Yeah, you mamma, pan and yelama, panica, bella and ya bella. Ben Shabian swear. Always.
Yeah, that's not the Oh, they were not easy. Mjele, what's the projection for the year after Ramadan, Mama? Because mommy, expect big things from a camp, man.
The projection generally or from me. The projection is that Titian you come nagi, your very biane, things won't be the same. Because industry man gonna buy a pump. Because Corona man kanama the slow 11 shakam.
Exactly.
And then slow man. You need to appreciate that you've risen only when you know you are down. So, tenna community industry ma do it man. DT is the malaya. But Nelly married to a shelling yell DT is ma. The thing is Kaili in a Pamela and be industry man. Corona and wipe play Yarma Pamcha.
Yeah, the Isla Sham Gary.
Coronavirus, the artists Numpam carry ma. Now so can Yarama Ras. Because Ras. Corona na kanama ya la angulan la anda
no the plan la anda
so la anguna bel la anda ma yila mamanga anya yila came promote different this time different ways ka find
yes
teleka corona ma ti corona ti nagi te shabiane dan kana tapan adopt la new measures and then keep it in place. Understand ya? Tena mi pambala nya abe indasma wolola man kana wantina ba wolola na nuku kana nya mambala nya DJ kutu kul damma artist kutu damma fan kutu damma kana ranyo ko me mugu ka gon shekra ma ninye wolola ma nguna so mi secret ma
exactly
DJ be mina nang de sham hitra become better DJ na man yila 2019 kamanze man kulanti DJ yila because they are one of the reasons why artists nam we chiru and so manku bang dan luhurma kalan nang dale and the pen yala if they make you the media they can break you so ten labrona as wol olana minin team te bazant concentration nang DJ nam promo nkole DJ parara te borna no hell no mamba mi parara na tum station shelba now so kan yara ma I'm not pretending.
Really?
It's not up. No. I'm not pretending. I don't know where Parara works. I don't know where Carlos works. I don't know where a lot of them up like Mamba mi bang palam shell polo ba.
Oh.
Because tempa dol social mat min baba mitra.
Okay.
Ben lutme so ben lutma. Tem ben jia na ba luti. Tem pan lu ba ma kalab no. Yes. Then check us all and loot. No, we are now connected straight to the fans.
Wow. Mjana zanga final ways zante de sanka aborne dagban zan hapa ban because yila ma da pakata past t-shirt zanga pakuzam na to support talent ma because mjana be system man kar you pam so yina tie na ba mi ya don so yurlo mbala
o ya pa anjila I know Lolanjila, I have part of Parkura.
There was a solo die. DJ, no,
yeah, I know Lolanjila, I have part of Parkura. You see, Ras? Yeah, Dingy Shamyam, fans, man. Tepa use social media, didn't chat direct among man. So they should follow me on all the social media handles. I'm on Facebook, Ibrahim M. Idrisu.
Yeah.
DJ na the radio kaso yala nung bon be top, being bon nanyala karanyala payula kabato ko jia in Euro so yubo no. Facebook, and follow Irma. Kalan chang YouTube wol olana yeah wol olana Hartman
yeah
until following channel ma and then WhatsApp line ma la very important.
Yeah, it's true for Iran.
Yes, it's very important. Yes. Because ni ai chang tang na kabata male gwarte nyarlunsi agbasar la gwahanawa northern music industry draka mna ta part time shele ta katin yan nan sham mpala WhatsApp market za hire employee because shaban pilegele
yeah
ati shaban pile and when they started it can never so to really we couldn't stop it.
Stop it, yeah.
I understand, yeah.
Yeah.
So, Katizan Hapa use WhatsApp ma promoter, even though the Malatin and Zoo part-time shall calculate to promote you on WhatsApp.
Okay.
So, WhatsApp line magba, they can take it, which is 05087 99997. 05087 99997. And then the personal line, if you want to get in touch with us for any business. Either show camera, be collaboration car born minano. 0244 692 664.
Okay.
And 0244 692 664.
Yes.
That's the line you can call if you want us for business.
Wow.
And then there's this social media handle I recently created.
But we come from
TikTok. Yeah, if you go there, Ibrahim M. Idrisu, if you go to Audio Mark.
Yes, okay.
Well, Olana Hatman, Niman Mazan to follow him. So that Sokulang Ma Jiren Nabo Kuol, Kwamugu Lavna as well, Olan Karmalia, Ka fan base Mazugi. So, fans man, no born about duel my low shall Polombala. They should follow me.
Okay.
They save the WhatsApp line, they say hi, ask me to save my number, and I will save so that you'll be getting all my updates. Yeah.
Yes, we now see
it's working. It's seriously working. WhatsApp status.
Yeah,
it's seriously very powerful. Sometimes, just now, they drop a bench out on WhatsApp status. Just now, yeah, if I drop something on, Minano Kujinke, Kina say Trangmala 29 seconds, ma. Upload it just now, man. Your views, ma. We the Gary DJ Shop listeners. DJ Shop Kutunyala listeners. How you know ba?
Wow. One thing, Shalom, the same occupation, but mostly you watch our interviews. Learn do you get time to read books? How to carry on books?
Oh, I can't stop learning. I can't stop reading. I read a lot. Yeah, one thing that takes much of my time is reading, apart from studio works. Because Kajishijina. Come on, you born musicians, so Kabena Cham Diamond Samban Bejini, Via Cham Yapolo Bejini. No, Mankajishijina, Manjishe Kunyalandu. If I'm not in my room, then maybe I'm out there to do something like Nakana Sanimo. Then I'm here. Exactly. But apart from that, Mankajishe, because Nzochia Pam Kambornum Buham Kabyala Kanzochi Raz. I mean it too. Now Zoe to Akan Yarama, the Parakama in Yarlaman Rukusolare. Man Yogan studio like less than 1 year. Come on, Banana Yila Yugi 18, 19 years, man, Yijiben Shao. Because there is a lot on the computer for me to learn as a musician, then going out there to sit and chat with people. I mean, understand it. So, data per computers Okanji and Buhanda. Then I'm either reading a book online on my phone or a hard copy because no board book comes out nowhere to get it. Wow. Yeah, so Karan the Pam, I don't lie to you. Karambuna Bazanga Duati.
Yeah, because I'll testify. I'm Jenna Junkujin interview. Aku quoting the man, Aku Yana Karako Fluira. So sometimes I was wondering how.
No, to Karandame. Ma Yamka Maliam Tiao Ras. Be my Malbansam Tia, the Kala. Uncle Maliam be Bansam Kabazan, I did my pie. So as a musician, I'm very observant and I always listen attentively.
Okay.
And if not because you are the one asking and I'm the one answering, I'm someone I love to listen than talk. I love listening than talking.
Okay.
I listen to people a lot. I listen to the world a lot. Yeah. I have a sound ear, a music ear, and when that happens, almost every little thing that produces sound is important to you. So you always have to be listening all the time. So learning and listening is part of me.
Wow. I'm just going to check out I used to work out the show. I'm saying no is success. It's almost every day she me like Ayila man. And I've smart come brother like there's this particular part I love so much. Ayila man, me I no get time to talk about another man.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, that part man come brother. So bad that part man.
Me I no get time to talk about another man, cause I'm busy a day my lane. Bad mind, stop the skimping. Wolulana san who I want to win. Blessing upon blessing. Wolulana san we want to win. Praying for success to come my way. Can labandamba far far away. Success come my way. Can labandamba far far away. Hey, far away. Hey,
I'm a son. Iki track my phone.
Ya anshaka mof kana Sheila Adi. Ya Sheila Adi. Dunengo nyasam Sheila Kudi. Ambo Hozerama Akudi.
This is an inspirational ghetto song, you know. I get a youth man when I like this song. Akudine Kawumle, no
success.
Yeah. I love the song so much. And then Sunny is one rapper too. Okuchana the phone baku sing even yalanga. And kada champion.
Yeah.
This one, bro, is a man. No, you my talents be this.
No, definitely. Mommy, street talent is the best too.
Yeah.
We will be street boys
for long.
The street, like you earlier asked a question, street man make it. When everybody refused to promote us, the street was there for us. And so when we drop the songs, those who don't understand why we say the street made us, when they rejected our songs, they won't play it on air, they won't call us for shows, they want to kill our name. Those days when we drop songs, the street will go for it, share it, and keep it. So that's why we give the credit to the street. You get what I mean? So street man could make it in. Straight.
Yeah.
Busy.
Ndita unazo want to swanya ni uso ngumi because na changing interview ne ka feel kama ngo because mjena kana have learned a lot from you and Sasha kama listening to him always. Nta interview Martina I think on about the Facebook page mazo and maybe mjegwa sana song share ile tete so that ka niro to le ka di enfant because the non doma is just for ka dagban konko but how to do and ban kama northern energy now bless it upon.
Yeah.
If we have people like Komemugu, I like to kuzan Shepo ka boost that Shepo can be in he's going to make North proud.
Definitely.
Yeah, because Obran ma konkonira identity no wora on year na lo Shepo. Yeah. So it's just for us to support. Ti chella la yale yalo ma the son of the industry ma. Unku yina ka pando ma tanto mo support ma za. Ntia mami unko to jim chika oponi mpo shawa. Mbia to ne chika apoy an yom po shawa de.
Wow. Empula na na tamlan ngunam duka galsi.
Okay.
Non chete dala fi tete ka to kana session pe interact ma. Couple fans comes and haban and will across the world. Couple wolo anama. Couple manager hit for me. Couple smart mini raiwa assistant manager simba. Couple bright boy. Ngun kan feature on baga biga tampirga chor daltin ambahe. DJ bat this. Another one.
I want be akuba now.
Mborno mkuu. Yankulu karia. Baga biga tampiriga.
I want be a shit.
Nukuwa karia. Baga biga tampiriga. You know ne kuwa karia. Baga biga tampiriga. 20 years in the industry. Man nuka shele nye nyimbal shele man nye yel mangla kami nye jiri. Angubru latima kami nyur vare.
Can you travel by?
So that is baga biga ne dropping.
Wow.
Yeah, will always.
Mami aji mpiango. There was unkuto isi pika oponi bo shawa. Mr. Leonard Kubele. Unye OBL. Nti amba mini mpo sham. Duwana on the chiko odi video ne yango. Sina abacha one day so gasa biane. Sina Rashid the table Bronash ne senior boy pesa abufu sumo kama etraba. Nti asasha kamba table sona always mbila besana mbo hand befu. Nti ambiana kama da no maso piela panso interview Martin share lo kam nti akaso kam yel kadi enfant. Sasha kam yara mpion that. You don't allow anybody's opinion become your reality and you have got that solution to your problem. Just work hard and pray, and everything will come your way with ease. My name is Rasfaja, and I was with
Wolulana
The
Hatman.
Hatman. So,
Hat King.
Hat King. Today, Hat fans, man. That's a slogan you have, please. So, see you next time. Bless.